Let's just click that. Adding unlimited money. And wow, guys, 999,999 billion money was added, guys. Like, yo, what's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to hack Monopoly Go and get a modded version of Monopoly Go, basically, that has like unlimited money, unlimited rolls, unlimited dice, and everything in the game unlocked for free. You'll be able to win all games as well with this mod menu. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super simple. It works for both iOS and Android. Now, guys, this is actually not my own method that I created. It's actually someone else's that I found from TikTok. So basically, there was this video I saw while I was like scrolling on the For You page, and he was showing his Monopoly Go game, and in the description he said like he has a mod and he'll show you guys how to get it if you like leave a like and comment and follow and stuff. So I went ahead and did it. But let me just play the video really quick, and then I'll show you guys how to set this up as well on your own phone. So here we have the video. Let's just play it. So he's just showing his game right here, and you can see like he has like a lot of money and stuff. And yeah, he says he had his unlimited HP and everything pretty much unlocked in the game, guys. It is insane. And yeah, he's gonna show us like how he did this. Well, he showed me how to do it. He sent me a DM, and I'm gonna go ahead and actually show you guys how to do this as well. It's insane. But yeah, I'm just gonna close the video now because yeah, but like you see like he gets like unlimited everything. So I just wanted to show you guys that. But basically, he said leave a like, comment, and follow, and he'll send you the instructions on how to do this. So here's the DM right here, guys. So as you can see, he told me the site name of where to get this modded version of Monopoly Go, which I'm going to be showing you guys. And yeah, we're basically going to be able to get a modded version of Monopoly Go on iOS and Android. But he told us the site name. It's the one right there, the Viva Helper. And he said, you know, it works on iOS and Android. So what I'm going to do is just turn on my screen recording here and show you guys like how to actually get this app. So let me just turn on my screen recording right now. So it should be going live in 3, 2, 1. Boom, you guys should see my screen recording right now. So I have the app right here, the Monopoly Go mod. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to show you guys how to actually get it though. But yeah, this is the one from the like tutorial. This is what it looks like, Monopoly Go mod version 2.8. So this is the mod menu. There's also some other mod menu features in the settings, but these are the main ones. So we get unlimited money, unlock everything. So that includes all of the dice and rolls for completely free. You can max out all levels. As you can see, maxing out all levels. We're going to go ahead and do unlimited money. Let's just click that, adding unlimited money. And wow, guys, 999,999 billion money was added, guys. Like, it adds unlimited money. And like when you go and spend the money, even though it has like 999,000, it does not go down, guys. Like, it literally gives you unlimited money in Monopoly Go. And yeah, you can max out all your levels and everything. So how do you actually get this app? Well, it's super simple, guys. You're going to open up your browser thing and you're going to go to that site that the guy mentioned in the video. I mean, in the TikTok screenshot DM thing. So that was like the Viva Helper website from the TikTok screenshot. But yeah, you can rewind to the screenshot if you need to see the site name again. But yeah, this is the site right here, guys. We're on it right now. So it has like all these like tweaked games and stuff, right? So basically, we're just gonna go ahead and search for the app, which is Monopoly. And there it is right there, Monopoly Go++. That is the app we want, guys. And it's gonna go ahead and say like 67,000 downloads, 4.9 star rating. Whoa. So yeah, this is the app. We're just gonna tap download now, and it's gonna start downloading it, I believe. Let's just go ahead and wait. Yep, it's starting to download it. So we just gotta wait a little bit for this to start downloading. It's already at 50%, so it's pretty quick. Like, the file size is, I mean, the app size is not super big, so it should like download pretty quick. All right, 100%, and let's go ahead and see what happens. All right, boom. So it's gonna pop up this thing. This website is trying to get a profile. Do you want to allow this? So I'm just gonna click allow, and it will say profile installed. So basically, I think to get that, we just go into the settings, right? And then you go to more for your iPhone at the top, and then you click profile install, and then Monopoly Go will be there. I think if you're on Android, it installs it differently. Like, it just takes you to the download page right away. But anyways, Monopoly Go will pop up. Now, when you do open it up, guys, there is like a verification thing it tells you to do. And to complete that, you just like do exactly as it says. Like, when you open up the app, it will tell you like you have to install some apps or whatever. But it's pretty simple, guys. And once you do that, you'll be good to go, and you'll have your Monopoly Go mod on your phone. So enjoy it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace out.